Well, this isn't bad, you know. At 2 o'clock today I was at home, and I could have done nothing for the rest of the day really, and it's now 6:20 and I'm in the middle of nowhere with some fantastic views, a night's camping ahead of me. You know, sometimes you just got to get out there and do it.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
We're approaching Skipton now on the A59 and it's absolutely heaving. It's also raining, which is hard to believe. Trying to. Just a little bit of rain in the breeze. Still 21 degrees. This is a fabulous road. It's just a shame. I think there are a couple of trucks ahead and traffic slowed right down. But hey, I'm on holiday. So we've left Skipton behind now. I got a tank full of fuel and 220 miles range, which should get back to civilization by the end of tomorrow. On the A65, which is quite a fast but busy road, cutting across the southern part of the Yorkshire Dales over towards the Lake District really, and popular biking route. Devil's Bridge is down here, which is quite a popular meeting spot. So I think we'll ride through that in a few minutes time. It's following this Discovery 1, it's a right heap. Massive amount of black smoke coming out of it, only one brake light working. Straight off the farm, it's even got the sheepdog in the back there. Looking very interested in everything because it's his trip out down to Morrison's, I think. So quite cool. It's clouded over a little bit now. And not looking quite as pleasant as it was, but temperature's still 21 degrees, so I mean, I can't complain. Be a good test of the camping equipment on a nice summer's evening. I've got some extra rations. I'll tell you what they are when we get there, but you can probably guess. Right, we're in the Yorkshire Dales National Park. So, beauty starts here. Sure, the sun's gone in. Can't have everything. Uh, 20 to 6. Nice expected arrival time about 6:30 at the campsite. It's perfect really. Dip there. Will be shown on the GoPro footage, I'm sure. B road, it's fabulous, isn't it? The biking's dynamic, I think. That's more like it. might be the Ribblehead Viaduct ice cream van going home. I remember this place. Very narrow little bit of road. Yeehaw! Cheers. There we go. Happy days. See if bumped into more shepherds on the way around. Doubt we will now, to be honest. That was brilliant to see, wasn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Little mini Stelvio going on here. Woo. Get some altitude there, look at that. Oh, I could definitely wild camping there. Fine on a push bike because you can go and hide it. Much more difficult on a motorcycle. Look at that. Train down there. Misty hills as far as the eye can see. I wish I could identify them for you. I'm sure somebody will be able to help me. And the road ahead, fairly obvious. Very steep actually down there. You probably can't see that on here. Let's go. Dense little woodland. Perfect for a sneaky camp. Pretty confident no one will notice you camping over here. Just hiding the bike. I did see you can buy camo bike covers, which is something that would be quite useful actually. Gated off. Full of pheasants and grouse. Well, we're actually not far from civilization. Overflow car park, Garsdale. Do they need an overflow car park here? Bloody hell. Can't imagine rush hour's anything to talk about. Back onto the A road now. Well, that's fun. I enjoyed that. So, let's have a look what we got here. Oh, 6 miles. Oh, put the bins out. the Cumberland sausage. Flying early, annoyingly. Better. Beautiful. For a very little road, obviously a popular road. Stunning scene. Not stop the camper van man while camping up here. He's the camper van man, and he camps where he can. 'Cause he's the camper van man, he camps where he can, whenever he wants. Yeah, he's the camper van man, he camps wherever he can. Wherever he wants, the camper van camps. Not a bad spot, really. Not a bad spot. Look at that view there, that's fantastic. So we're going to stop at the top. Let's go over a viewpoint. Must have built a little lay-by up here. View, huh? Got to crack on. Blind crest behind me, that'd be a good idea, right? Right. Right, 15 miles to destination. Awesome. Perfect. Brew going whilst I'm setting up camp. Cup of tea to celebrate successful pitching. Spot of dinner. And a walk down to the pub. Plan tomorrow's adventures. red squirrels. Let's see, I want to make sure we don't run any of those little fellas down, because they're quite nice. Big bridge. It's got it all. How cool is this? Over the top again. Oh. Wild camp heaven. Oh, stunning! Woohoo! Woohoo! Back in the lanes. It's absolutely lovely up here. It's just so quiet, really nice. There are some vehicles, but not many. Well, I've arrived at the campsite. The views are stunning here. Absolutely fabulous. What I'm going to do for you is show you what I brought camping. So here we go. We have got the gloves. I can stay on the bike for now. Oh, they're new gloves actually as well. A friend of mine's got a pair of those. Alpine Stars summer gloves, very thin. All the armour on the knuckles as usual, Velcro cuff, short cuff. Really nice in 27 degrees today, absolutely perfect. And of course they've got the touch screen on each index finger as well, so that really work well today. Just need a bit of wearing in really, be comfortable. So what have we got in here then, folks? Well, let's start to unpack it. We've got milk. We've got gin and tonic. How did that get in there? We've got some porridge for tomorrow. So, we've got bar chocolate. That's pudding. Pudding for the pudding. Now I'm going to try these fire pot Eat Well in the Wild dry meals, chili con carne. Well, that's unfortunate, that's what I had for tea last night. But never mind. 600 calories. See if it's as good as mine. We will find out shortly. What we got in here? This is my pump. I'm not going to get it out of the bag right now, but that's for pumping up tyres, etc. if you need them. And also it's quite useful as a that's a bit of blue light. That's for my visor. A bottle to get some more water. And a set of tyre plugs, CO2 cartridges, etc. Not coming out. Trangia kettle. I'll be filling that shortly. And we're going to get a brew on. Insect repellent, might need some of that. Amazing what you can get in one of these pennies. Tent. Probably about the same size as that one over there. I'll put the tent out in a few minutes. Sleeping bag. Sleeping mat. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll put links to all these things. I haven't tested any of them yet though, so this is a first time testing environment. I've got a mug
got a stove, I've got some fuel, a windshield. There's no windshield there at the moment, but there we go. And there's my toilet kit. Basically some toothbrush soap and towel. That's it really. Oh, I've got a spork in there somewhere. Put my tinner with. So, right, let's get to work. So here it is, camping setup pretty much sorted. Bike's okay there. I might move it, I'm not sure, can't be bothered. It's far enough for the tent. There's the tent, looking nice. Little cooking area, gonna do my dinner. Down here we've got my rations, including a cup of tea that I'm just about to tuck into. Inside, the green maggot is out, sleep mattress is inflated, and it's looking very nice in there, to be fair. Tent's gone up all right. Hopefully it's going to be a fairly quiet night. But impressed with this little tent. Plenty of room. Very easy to put up. It took about 10 minutes taking it really easy. I guess you could put it up a lot quicker if you had to. So I'm very happy. Time to get my brew in and get some dinner on. See you later. Well, I'm in my pit now, and the air mattress feels okay, the sleeping bag feels okay, the tent seems to be working fine. We'll see what happens overnight.